Hi everyone, it's here. This is my, well, one of two Enail Couture scoops that I ordered. This is the super scoop. So I'm just going to get this packaging off and then we'll jump right in. Right, I've got it open. I've got this moved to the side. So first of all, we have the Max Estrada apron. I should wear that really because I'm afraid of getting dust and glitter and everything all over my clothes. So we have that. Oh, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs of tips. So we have the French almond, which are the 1, 2, 3 go tips. They're nice. Nice in. Put that on my thumb. Yeah, so you've got a nice length there. A bit long for me actually, but I will use them to make designs. So that was the French almond. I'm so excited this has come. I've seen loads of scoops. This one's the XXL French stiletto. Get a bigger one out. So that's a 1. So yeah, so that's a good size. I was hoping to get just more plain tips than the French, but I'll still use them. That is the, you never know with a scoop, do you? What you're getting that you can't choose. So that's the XXL French and the French almond. Then we have another XXL French stiletto, so I'll open them. Oh, then we have the ombre sculpture mini square. Now these are the type of length that I would wear, just I like my short nails, so they're nice. I will wear them ones. So they're the mini ombre mini square. And then we have the XXL French coffin, but so I've got them ones with the black and the stiletto, and I've got these ones with the white tip. Yeah, so they're a long length there. And then I have some, so I've only got one duplicate of them two, and they're different. French coffin. And this one is the French extreme square. You must be putting all these black tips in these scoops. And then that one, which is a super long one, but would fit my nail lovely. That's a 1. So yeah. And then last of the nails is the sport length. So these, I've seen these on a lot of people's hauls. These are the only plain ones I've got, but they are a length that I would wear. So that's your sport length there. So I do like those. They're nice. They're all really good, feel like really good quality tips. Like I say, I've never ordered from here before. I was a bit dubious, but when I saw the 40% off and free worldwide shipping, oh great. I just wish they'd put the actual cost that you paid on the box, because I am going to get a big bill for the next one. But hey ho. So then we have a darling lamp. So we have so yes, so we have the darling lamp 30 to 60 second. Yeah, that'll be good just on my desk as an extra lamp. Nice Doesn't take up that much space. It's good to have. And if I don't use it, I might end up putting that in a giveaway. And then we have, oh, I've seen a few scoops for this in. So we have the neon pigment. Oh, so got somebody's hair there, lovely. The neon pigment powders. So yeah, they're lovely, really nice. Can't wait to do an ombre butterfly with those for the summer. Lovely. And then we have the nail care brush wipes. I've never bought specific brush wipes. These look like they're going to be they're 200 by 190, so they're quite a good size. And I've seen that everybody gets these in the box. So these are the brush wipes, the Luxe brush wipes. So I would cut them. I'd cut them in half, I think, to use them. Don't think you need a full one like that. So yeah, I like them. Okay, and what else do we have? We have some nail remover, cotton. So I need to open that up and have a look. I'll read about that one. I'm not sure if it's just the polish for the nail file. So I think they'd remove just normal nail varnish, and I think they may remove, do they have acetone? Yes, acetone, so it could remove your gel nails as well. And we have some monomer. So I haven't done any acrylic nails yet. I do have a lot of acrylic, so I am going to try with that. And then we have, oh, what's this? This is in a box. Let's see what this is. Oh, I've seen these. This is the flashy lamp. So this requires batteries. Yeah, so a nice little lamp there. So we have pink salmon in the acrylic. It's a nice base colour, and we also have bakery pink. So that's like a nude in the tub. We'll have to see what it looks like on. So yeah, so we've got 2 of those acrylics. Like, see, I haven't done acrylic yet, so I'm going to give it a go. We have some separators. I won't use them really. And then we have the candy box, which seems to be in everybody's scoop, but that'll come in handy. Oh, mine's actually broken. That's not good. I was looking forward to one of them. I might get one in the next one. So yeah, I'll just put a band around it for now. So that is the broken candy box. And then we have some bubblegum gel. I think this is for, I think you can make charms, make things for your nails with it, but you can also stick the 1, 2, 3 go tips on there as well. So that's the bubblegum gel. I'm not opening that just yet. I think anyone who's had these scoops know what's in them. So we have a couple of liners. We have 002 and 003. These look like they've been bashed about a little bit. So that one is your red liner. And we have, oh, I do like that one. It's a lovely bright neon coral colour, that one. That one's lovely. So we have 2 of those. We have some Handy Max cream, which is always good for your hands. Oh, let's see. We have a candy jar. So I think this is a large Stappen dish. Yes. So you have a lovely pink there. Oh, crazy. So we have that. And what else? What else? We have some nail glue. We have some more bubblegum gel, so that's the pink one. The one I showed you earlier was the ivory. And we also have light pink. So we have the 3 bubblegum gels there. And we have, oh, I was hoping I would get one of these. So the milky pink shiny top coat. So that, oh yeah, that's lovely. I've never seen the milky pink. I've seen the milky white. That's the milky pink shiny top coat. We have another shiny top coat. This one's Mercury. Look at that. Lovely. And then we have Mars. Oh, I've got quite a few of these. I've had Mars of that one. So that's really nice. We have Pluto. Oh yeah, that one. Got the black flecks in. That's lovely. And 5 of these. That's great. Neptune. So that's the silver. Big bits of silver in that one. So I will swatch them and pop it on the end. Just to show. Right, so I quickly swatched those there. So this one was the milky pink shiny top coat. Beautiful, that one. And then we have the Mercury. It's got the silver flecks in. And then we have the Mars, which has like the opal flakes in that one. Beautiful. And then we have the black flecked one of Pluto in there. And then we have this one, which is little holographic shards. And that one was Neptune. And there we have the 2 liners, and I just quickly pop them on a stick as well, just so you can see the colour. So the true to the bottle colour, the red is a jelly red, and then that, love it. Love that colour for the summer. So yeah, so that's those swatched there. Show you them. Then we have some crystal clear happy gel, nail extension gel. So yes, I haven't obviously tried their poly gel, happy gel, so I'll use that. And we also have Eternal Beige. So crystal clear and a beige in those. Happy with those. Then we have some inky mermaid pearl inks. So we've got the mermaid one. I'm going to break that now. So they're the mermaid pearls. And I've also received festival colours. So I've seen these on a few as well. So they're last stage's watercolour inks. So I've got 2 of those. What else? Oh, I've got loads of charms. So this one, I'll open this one up. This one has like the bronzy, I don't know if you can see them on there. Oh, so they're lovely, really nice. Big ones, little ones in there. Now these 2 look the same, so I'll just open one of them. So yeah, I've gotten another one of them. So there's two of each. So there's that one, which I've just shown you, and there's this one here, which I'm not going to open because I can see it's full of caviar beads. So that's got pearls and little gems in. So I've got 2 of those. There's some moons in there, shapes. So 2 of those ones, and then this one, there's 2 of this as well. Oh, these are nice. These are these ones have got, I'll open it a little bit. I can see various shapes in there. Got some lovely red beads. There's some moons, stars, or little pineapples in there. That's a lovely star, sun. But yeah, they're nice. Lots of different variations of things in there. So I have 2 of each of those. That's 6 little gem pots. And last but not least, we have the Maxi ink set. So I'll not open them now. I'll give them a go on another video. I'll try using them, see what. So you get 6 in there. So yeah, so that, I'm really happy with what I've received. Let us know if you thought it was a good value for what I've paid to the UK. Obviously I haven't had to pay the shipping. There's the other bit of my box. I might be able to glue that on. So yeah, so we've gotten all of those. I'll take a picture of them all together just so I can put on at the end just to show you everything that came. And I'm quite happy with that for me first scoop. Especially getting a lamp and all of the nails and a couple of acrylics and 5 shiny top coats, so that's really good. So I'm chuffed with that. Let us know what you think of this one. I need to stop saying I say it all the time. And I'll take a picture with it at the end just to show everything, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. I do have another 2 packages sitting staring at us from Temu, so if you want to see them, please comment in the video that you want us to do some videos on those. One of them is full of glitters and powders. The other is just a mix of stickers, plates, you name it, I've got it. So just remember to like and subscribe, please. I'm over the moon with everybody who's subscribed, everybody who just watches. I love doing this. Keeps us happy anyway, should we say. Makes us happy. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.